Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn staying healthy and happy together, step by step. Hello friends, I am Vidya. We all want to feel healthy and happy. To do this, we keep clean, eat good food, play, and rest. Today, we will learn how to stay healthy and happy every day. Keeping clean helps us stay healthy. We bathe every day to feel fresh. We brush our teeth in the morning and at night. We wash our hands before eating. Being clean keeps germs away. Our body needs 3 things. It needs healthy food to grow. It needs play and exercise to stay strong. And it needs good sleep at night to rest. When we do all 3, we feel great. Being happy is good for us too. We smile and laugh. We play with our friends. We help others and share our things. A happy heart makes us feel wonderful inside. To recap, to stay healthy, we keep clean, eat good food, play, and rest well. To stay happy, we smile, play with friends, and help others. Take good care of yourself, friends. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.